Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you pay ATMs on your Walmart app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just here select any ATM you want to pay. I'm going to click for example to this here. So then it's going to take us to next step here. Just we need to open with you. So then for I'm going to pay this item for example. Just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on pay now. Then you just switch into open with you here. So it's going to show for you like this here. So then here can you select, then here add an address to say arrival date, and here just click here on price here. So that when you just choose here, click here on close here. So then you click here on place order. When you down here, click here on place order here. So it's you have first to add your address, then you click on it, and it's going to take you to pay this item. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.